Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Using Yahoo Mail is straightforward. First, open your web browser and go to mail.yahoo.com. If you already have an account, enter your Yahoo ID and password to sign in. New users should click Sign Up and follow the steps to create an account, which includes providing basic personal information and choosing an email address. Once logged in, you'll see your inbox on the left side of the screen, listing all your received emails. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly find specific messages. To send a new email, click the A Compose button, usually located in the top left corner. A new message window will appear. Type the recipient's email address into the To field. Add a brief description in the subject line. Then, write your message in the main body of the email. If you need to include a file, click the paperclip icon to attach it from your computer. When you're finished, click the Send button. To read an email, simply click on its subject line in your inbox. The email content will display on the right. You can then use the reply or a forward options to respond or send it to someone else. Yahoo Mail also lets you organize your messages. You can create custom folders to sort emails, helping you keep your inbox clean and find important messages quickly. Just right-click on an email or use the menu options to move it to a specific folder or delete it. This makes managing your communication simple and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.